Here is a brief insight into the Aviramp Continental, which operates on aircraft within the medium body range of Boeing 757 down to Embraer 175. Prior to the aircraft arriving, the main docking platform is pre-adjusted to suit the door sill height of the individual aircraft type. The standard Continental is powered by a small diesel engine, which in turn drives the hydraulic systems. This enables the unit to be moved easily by one person to the aircraft. While the unit is in motion, an important safety feature to highlight is the auto braking system facility, which minimises the chance of aircraft damage and at the same time brings the unit to an emergency stop should the operator trip or fall. Setup of the Aviramp Continental takes no longer than traditional stairs, and most operators claim it's easier and faster due to the simplicity of the controls. Once in place, the ground crew can slide the gates to the aircraft fuselage and the door can be opened, leaving a safe walkway suitable for all passengers, including children and people with reduced mobility. The low-gradient slopes of this unit makes easy work of pushing wheelchairs. Indeed, families are used to far greater slopes in every day. Powered wheelchairs can also be used on the unit without any issue, whilst passengers who cannot deal with the steps can easily manage the ramp as well. The smooth transition between ground and ramp enhances the streamlined boarding process, as passengers do not have to stop and wrestle with their bags. Disembarking passengers is where the main time efficiencies lie. Take a look at the differences in passenger flow between the stairs on the rear and the Aviramp. Disembarkation is proven to be 30% faster using an Aviramp, and at the same time there is no unnecessary waiting time with regards to high lifts for disabled passengers. The Aviramp Continental comes with a host of optional extras, including a fully enclosed walkway, or maybe a simple translucent canopy is preferable to provide a much-needed sunshade. The standard unit is operated by a tiller arm, which houses a simple forward and backwards joystick. Remote control is also available. Optional walkway lighting is provided by LED rope lighting. New to all units is the extending door canopy to complete the protected walkway feature. We highly recommend the extra wide platform as an additional feature, as it allows storage for wheelchairs. Crew access stairs at the rear of the unit give ground staff a shortcut to the aircraft, especially when pre-boarding is in process and where passengers are queuing from the top of the platform. The Aviramp Continental is a safe, efficient and dignified boarding option for all passengers.